Yo, let's get it, boys. Draymond, Jesus, peace.
My favorite part of my journey is 100% seeing self improvement.
On that, don't I? What's good, everybody? Let's go, Wes, Caleb, Aiden. C. Wendy's, what is goody? How y'all boys doing? It's good, Aiden. Can everyone hear the music? Everything's all good? This just sounded like a hit. Don't I? Sold out. Let's get everybody in here. What's good, Aiden? No music? I feel that, C. Wendy's. I feel you, bro. Yes, sir, Caleb. Let's get it. Johnny, I need that wallpaper. What wallpaper? Oh, this? I got that shit from Target, bro. Shows like $40 or something. Let's get everybody in here. Let's wait. I'm gonna wait a couple minutes. I'm about to add everybody. I go viral with a fit, don't I? Feeling Barry today? Team Bull Squad. We're trying to avoid the ETFs today. Yeah, most likely. Bro, it really depends if we want to sweep out these highs and dump, but it's just like, I don't know. I'm just not feeling it. Unless we can like dump down to like this fair value gap or like take out these lows and then break structure to the upside, because then we'll actually have some sort of liquidity to target. Other than that, bro, you can't really target anything. Give me a second. Bang, bang, bang. Well, look, shit, everything's at all time. Not at all time highs. Everything's bullish, though. Like, AMD, hella bullish. We do have news today, though, as you guys know. I'm pretty sure I posted it in the market news channel. What's today? Wednesday? Yeah, it's already in the market news. Make sure you guys are checking this. Like, if you're not checking this every day or every week, making sure you're updated, like, you have to stay updated with yourself every day. 4K subs, yes, sir. Vinny, you peep that? Looks good, bro. Wait until 10K, baby. 10K coming soon, before 2025. I'm about to be pumping out content. Picked up some. Yes, sir, Aiden. I got my electrolytes right here. Yeah, exactly, Scotty. It's not the best price action, and I hate it. So, we're most likely going to be trading something like Nvidia or, um, sorry, Nvidia or AMD, possibly. Nvidia looks so bullish. It's just like insane, dog. I think we could definitely catch calls today on Nvidia. Nvidia looks good for maybe a pullback within this area as market opens. If we can dump back into this area and then break structure to the upside, breaking pre-market highs, I could definitely see us going towards the upside for today. How do you usually do market analysis? Same way that I look at regular stocks or ETFs. I look at the higher time frames. I see whether we're bullish or bearish or coming into confluences where we could reject. And then I determine my bias off of that. Like, let's just pick a stock. Amazon. What's Amazon looking like? Let's go to the daily. Okay, we're bullish. 4 hour, we're still bullish. 1 hour, like we are still bullish. So what are we doing as of now? We're sweeping out these lows right now. We would wait until Powell speaks. Now, if we can break above this area right here, because you guys obviously see that this is a big resistance area. So if we could break above this area in a candle closure, break structure back to the upside, we're still in an uptrend. I'll take longs. Take the upside. Started my small account last week. I'm at 850. Bro, that is so lit, dude. That is so lit. My small account is at like 3K. I'm building that John up to 5K. That Johnson. On NVIDIA, do those previous fair value 100%. 1000%, bro. This is still a fair value. We are in a 4 hour fair value. That's why we could easily reject at any time here. But if we're showing confluences where we're breaking structure to the upside, we're still going to be able to catch a upside movement until however long it wants to reject, or it wants to just continue to the upside. Continue to the upside. We have a bullish or a bearish order block up here, but that's far as hell. It's like another $7 on NVIDIA, which isn't too far because it moves actually a couple dollars per day, but still. We have that 1 hour order block up here that we could reject off of. So I see us going up to fill these highs. These are like the next draw on liquidity for me. Obviously, these right up here. And this is all-time highs on NVIDIA because they got cut or whatever the fuck you want to call it. So why is my music not playing? Yo, I'm trying to connect this shit to my speaker. Where's my music? The fuck? You guys see me? What is good with this shit? What the freak? This computer's tweaked. But yeah, I don't even know if I want to play with the S&P or any of them, bro. Keep it a buck, will you? I could potentially see puts on IWM if we're sweeping out any of these highs. IWM's just been consolidating, but you can catch the rejects and where we want to pull back from. AMD, super bullish. We have these highs that we could retrace to that we're going to want to sweep. So if we don't hit those by PAL, remember we have PAL at 10. So I won't be taking a trade anytime until after 10. I will not be taking a trade until after 10. Tesla. I saw Tesla sweeping out these highs. I really do think that we're going to have reject today. Daily. Look at the daily. You're telling me these highs are not very, very important. These are very important highs. We just came up and swept them. We at least have 6 green candles in a row on the daily chart. We've been overextended. I feel like we're definitely in need for a pullback on the daily somewhere for equilibrium. Like at least pull back to this area. You know what I mean? Anytime you see like a big pump or like a pump like this, there's always going to be a pullback to go higher and then a pullback in the equilibrium to go higher. So we're overextended. We're sweeping highs. And I feel like we're going to want to pull back on Tesla. I think that we could definitely see a retracement for sure. So what I would want to see for Tesla is a break of structure to the downside on the 1 hour. So we are sweeping out all of these highs, as you guys can see. What I want to see is like the 15-minute break to the downside, which means break pre-market lows and then retest. That's a strategy I've been implementing. These are the pre-market lows from yesterday. If we could sweep all this liquidity, break pre-market lows, what we would do is we'd retest to our fair value gap, retest to these pre-market lows, and then we catch the downside move, and it would look something like that, right? Because we're looking for a retrace. We're at these highs. I feel like we're not wanting to break out of them, especially if SPY is going to consolidate today. If Tesla, AMD, NVIDIA, everything's going to consolidate. I see Tesla going to the downside. That's what I'm going to look at. AMD, like I said, super bullish. I think these are definitely, where was it, 4-hour highs. I'm pretty sure, yeah, these 4-hour highs were definitely a big confluence. Also, we are coming into a 4-hour order block up here. I don't know if you guys can see this. Over here, this very, very small candle, which was the up candle to the huge down movement. We are tapping into that to a T. Can we even move it down? Boom. Yeah, see? Tapping into that order block. What I could see with AMD is as simple as if all of the other tech stocks are correlating and we see a break of structure to the downside and we're breaking lows and holding below lows on the higher time frames, like maybe even the 15, then we can catch the downside move. We already accumulated liquidity up here on the order block. So depending if we break this, we'll want to target these highs, or we want to come up, fill it, and then dump. I could see AMD dumping in this area, especially because we're at these prominent highs up here as well, looking to sweep some sort of liquidity up here. Order block, I feel like there's a lot of confluences where we could see a retracement on there for sure. Amazon price action slowing down so much on the higher time frames up here. Is this all-time highs? Is Amazon at all-time high? Yeah, I think it is. Cool. So Amazon's at all-time highs right now. And if you look to see, when you're at all-time highs, like the only way it's going to get higher is if you see a break structure. Simple as that. If you see a candle closure above all these highs like this, that's how you could see us potentially see that sellers are not in control, buyers are in control, and we want to go higher. But as you could see, like on the 4-hour and on the 1 hour, we're just tapping onto an order block, sweeping liquidity, and making a downside move. So in 39 minutes, when market does open, if this black candle closes below this low, that will show me that we break structure to the downside, that we possibly want to go lower. Price action just consolidating up here. Not looking at this too much because we are in a consolidation zone. I don't want to, how can I say it, take trades that look like this because it's hard to predict them, bro. That's like this. Like, don't get me wrong, it did break out Well, no. Look at yesterday's price action, bro. It's just like that's complete sideways. It's gonna be so hard for you to catch a trade. Oh, look at the other day. This wasn't too bad. Swept nothing. Well, swept these highs right here, broke structure, retested. That could have been a good trade. I was looking at that. This was a decent day, good day, good day, good day. Like we have some good days on SPY, but just like when you're at all time highs, like all the way up here at the very top of it, it's just shitty. It's so dookie. Hughes. Like shit. If Apple looks bullish, I'll take this shit to the upside. Because we're bullish. Why wouldn't we take it to the upside if Powell comes out? But also we might just want to fucking dump and then go continue to the upside, which will cause consolidation again, and we don't want to deal with that. So yeah, I'm gonna write my watch list down under or over. Obviously, you guys know, like let's say if we break this and we go over it, that'll be AMD over for calls. And then obviously you don't want to just take calls off of that. You always want to look to see our confluences play out, where we're sweeping liquidity, what confluence we're coming into, and then also whether we're breaking structure, what's market structure looking like. You know what I mean? You always want to look at all of that. It's very big. Sir, good morning, everybody. I'm about to go live on Discord right now. Right now, so I'm gonna write my watch list down and I'm gonna go live on Discord. I'll see you guys. This is my watch list. There's only 30 people in here, so just continue to show up. It shows you that you're different, that you actually want this, because a lot of people are not showing up to this, which I don't care. It's just for the sake of who wants to really learn and who doesn't. So.